This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 415G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new grand design is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP detector, slide-out, refrigerator, water heater, oven, smoke detector, TV, microwave, awning, carbon monoxide detector, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bath, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 415G is 15,310 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.